Welcome to Super Deals Alert. Today we are sharing with you 12 must-have tools that cover various aspects of woodworking. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, having the right tools is essential for any woodworking project. Let's dive in. Number 1. GREBSTK 9.5 inches wood chisel set for woodworking, four-piece chrome vanadium steel bevel-edge bench chisels with cap, comfortable Beech high-impact handle, with Oxford bag. Number 2. WORKPRO wood chisel set 3-piece. Number 3. REXBETI 10-piece premium wood chisel set, 6-piece wood chisel with 1 honing guide, 1 sharpening stone and 2 Carpenter pencils, heat-treated CRV alloy blades. Number 4. WEN 6536 amp electric hand planer, 3 1/4 inch. Number 5. WORKPRO 13-piece spade drill bit set in SAE, paddle flat bits for woodworking, nylon storage pouch included. Number 6. Bosch PL 1632 6.5 amp hand planer, 3 1/4. Number 7. Skil 5080 to 2001 13 amp 7 1/4 inches circular saw, red. Number 8. Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO, push block for table saws, router tables, band saws and jointers. Number 9. Saker contour gauge, 10-inch profile tool adjustable lock, precisely copy irregular shape Duplicator-Welding floor woodworking tool tracing. Number 10. Goldblatt trim puller, removal multi-tool for commercial work, baseboard, molding, siding and flooring removal, remodeling. Number 11. Bosch ROS 20 VSC palm sander 2.5 amp 5-inch corded variable speed random orbital sander, polisher kit with dust collector and soft carrying bag. Number 12. Wooddriver number 5 bench plane, V3. The links to these products are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!